Welcome back to DMHN Trading. So I know we've been a few days off, but in the past few weeks I've been going through the no nonsense Forex podcast as well as their YouTube channel, and over the last weekend I've just been adjusting my strategy and moving on towards daily trading on the daily charts. So things are going to be a little bit different here. As we analyze these charts, we're going to be basing them on the daily time frames and going with how they move. Now, let's go. I know this strategy is mainly for Forex, but I like the NAS and gold pairs. It's good to practice with them as well, even though the strategy is not suitable for them. I mean, so far I'm in a trade with the NAS, and it's at 180 pips in. So I gotta say, it's going pretty well for that. So basically what it is the absolute strength histogram when it changes color, and when the bar closes in the super richy line, and so on, and it has to be underneath this cloud as well. So there's a bit of bit of nuance to it. I won't go into full detail, obviously, because this is just an analysis video. If you guys do want my strategy, I'll be happy to make a video for those that want it. But if not, let's just continue on with the analysis that I do for myself as my way of journaling. So as we go through here, NAS, we are already in a trade. We entered about roughly here, and we're hoping that it'll go through a continue in a downtrend. But we are getting a green cloud here, so that might be an indication to go out. I haven't worked on an exit strategy yet, which is a big because, you know, you're already in the game. But nah, let's see how it goes. Gold is in the red. It's downtrending, and it looks like it's still going to be in a downtrend from here on out. There's no indication that it will reverse at all, because, you know, it's underneath the red cloud, the histogram's up, and it's underneath the super richy line as well. So everything points towards a downward direction. So that's how we do the rest of the analysis here. Here I've entered in a trade. Why is that? The bar is in a third bar of the red. It closed underneath the super itchy line, and it's under the red cloud. So when those three confirmations have been met, I've entered in a trade here, putting my stop loss at the what is this called again? The parabolic bar. And putting my R&R at 1.5. So with 97 pips here, I made 150. Okay. So that's how that strategy works, pretty much. And obviously, you may enter the trades only when the volatility is above 0. And I should be using the ATR to engage my profit loss and all that, but I'm not quite there yet. Moving on, let's see if there's any opportunities for any other day trades. As we move on to the Aussie Swiss, that's already in a down trend. Is it a strong one? Not really. I would say more this is ranging. If I was to check with the room indicator, it would tell me that it's ranging as well. So this is clearly ranging, as we see here. So don't do any movements there. Aussie New Zealand. It's in the red zone according to the histogram. So, but we're nowhere near the cloud anyway. So there's no opportunities to trade there. Actually here, no, it's already passed. Well, while we're in a downtrend, in a strong one too. So this is already in an uptrend with no opportunities for trade anytime soon this week. This is one. Here's an opportunity. So this is going to close in red in about 55 minutes, and it's underneath the red. It meets 2 out of 3 of our confirmations. Our strongest confirmation here is the absolute strength histogram. We'll wait for that to turn red. If that turns red, then we'll enter into that trade. Okay, but for now, This is on standby. So this is a close watch, is what I'll say. Now CAD yen, or in an uptrend, no opportunity to trade there. Swiss yen in an uptrend with no opportunities to trade there. Euro USD, we're in a downtrend with no opportunities to trade there within this week. Euro yen, it's getting close. It's a bit on the cloud. We don't really want that. We want it to be like clearly below the cloud, which I think we'll see it right here. So this is about to be closing on the Super Ichi line, and it's about to close below it. We don't know because it's dead on. It is dead on that line, as we see here. But it's underneath the cloud, and we're waiting for a red bar here too. So those are the two criteria that need to be met, but we're there. This is a trade this week that we're hoping to enter in, possibly today, possibly tomorrow, possibly the day after. Euro GBP, Euro pound, yeah, still far off. Euro New Zealand, you're in the zone as well. Likely a close there. EURCAD has already closed underneath the yellow line. It's underneath the red cloud, and we're just waiting for a red bar. But as you see here, it's also ranging, so you gotta be keeping an eye on that as well. Euro Swiss, same thing. It's about to close in a day or two underneath this yellow line. So possibilities are there. So most of them are waiting for the absolute strength histogram to go red. Pretty much. Brown yen. No real opportunity there. It's ranging below the cloud. Brown Aussie, yeah, it's already the downtrend. If anything, now it's too late to enter in. Again, already in a strong downtrend. Too late to enter in. Unless you guys have a trend continuation strategy. I haven't had that yet. This is pretty much we're jumping in after the trend starts, and we're trying to jump in when it officially starts. That's what this strategy is for. Again, this is at a downtrend. No opportunities to trade there for this week. Downtrend, strong downtrend as well on the British USD. British Swiss, downtrend. No entries there. New Zealand USD, downtrend with no opportunities as well. New Zealand yen, we're ranging very clearly. New Zealand Swiss is also ranging in a downtrend. Ranging in a downtrend. New Zealand CAD. USD yen, we're in an uptrend. If anything, we missed our opportunity to enter right here. This would have been spot on, see? So that was on 18th of August. As soon as it crosses that yellow line and the bar goes blue, would have been entry, and look how it would have soared. So that's how that works. As you see here too, when it goes red, it crossed the yellow line, it crossed at the same time too, and it went down, 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 down. So this is a very good indication of this system working in back testing. Just looking at that, especially with the USDJPY, USD CAD. Again, as soon as it turned blue here, that was a close after the bar hit the yellow line, and it just went up. Did a bit of a pullback, yes, but it continued going up. So yeah, there's an uptrend there. Oh yeah, was there any opportunities for yen? No. And USD Swiss, no opportunities there as well. So yeah, overall, we've got about 6 to 5 pairs that we should be watching closely. We've already entered into 2 trades, which was the Aussie CAD in a sell short, and the NAS100, which we are also in a short. So hopefully those goes well during the week, and we'll catch up on those details later on. Thanks for watching.